is a traditional dreaming story from long ago about how the birds got their colours. A long, long time ago, in the dream time when all of the land was dry and hot and the animals were being made, all the birds were black, all one colour, each bird the same. Until
Moses yen yen wala ye puna ye puj ngara bura fera yumanayala ngara bura fera yumanayala yala ngara bura fera yumanayala yala ngara bura fera yumana bura fera yumana bura fera yumanayala yala.
one bright and sunny day, a little dove flew and frolicked around in search of some food. Suddenly he spotted a large, juicy grub and swooped down to retrieve it. But the dove's foot struck a large, sharp stick. It pierced and punctured the poor dove's little foot, making him very sick and unable to fly. Days passed, and the dove still lay on the ground in agony, his little foot growing bigger and bigger as it becomes swollen. He was dying.
What do you think will happen next?
Finally, all of the dove's friends found him and gathered around him to see what they could do to help their poor friend. All except the big, scary crow. He just wandered around with his wings tucked away behind his back. All of a sudden, the parrot leaps forward with her small and sharp beak. Burst! Plucked the little dove's swollen foot. Colours splashed out all over the parrot. All of the colours that you could imagine flowed down over his legs and his chest and his wings and his tail. The colours splashed out all over the birds, making them all unique and different from each other for the first time in their lives. of them got spots. And some even got stripes. But each and every bird was transformed by the new colours. All except for the big crow who was standing in the corner away from the others. The crow got no colour at all. Why did the crow get no colours? Was it because he wasn't willing to help a friend in need? So that's how the birds got their colours, all but the crow.
Why did the crow not get any colours like the other birds?
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got, don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you.
And as for the poor old dove, he soon got better. He met with the parrot and thanked him for helping him to live.
Yenduk peku Jesu, rau bukana yumana, ngaura pura fera yumana yala, ngaura pura fera yumana yala yala, ngaura pura fera yumana yala yala, ngaura pura fera yumana, pura fera yumana. Pura fera yumana yala ya.
Run. Oh, sorry. Stay still, you punk. There. And then you can. He was dying. He was dying. He was dying. 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 He was dying. No noise. We've said that a few times today, haven't we? Oh, when does it start? Hang on, stop that. When does it start actually?
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Pluck the little dove's swollen foot.
Is that it? That's it.